In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a user's settings in ClickUp from your dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickUp workspace. From the main area, head over to your dashboard and open the Goal Tracker dashboard in your workspace. This is where you'll usually get an overview of your goals and progress, but it also gives you quick access to workspace elements like users and settings, which is what we'll focus on now. At the top of the dashboard, look for your workspace name or initials, shown as a small label or avatar. In this case, it's shown as a short abbreviation. Click on that label. If you don't see it immediately, check the top left or top right of your screen, depending on your layout, and hover until you see the workspace selector or profile drop-down. Click it once, and if needed, click it again to ensure you've opened the correct menu with workspace options. From the menu that appears, look for an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you out of the dashboard view and into your workspace settings area, where you can control everything from notifications to team management. On the left-hand side of the settings screen, you'll see a sidebar. Find and click on the section called People. This is where you manage the members and guests in your workspace. It might take a second to load if you have a lot of users, so just wait for the list to appear. Once you're in the People section, look for the highlighted area that indicates your main team or workspace user list. Click on that highlight to open the detailed list of users. If another highlight appears, such as a tab or filter for members, click that as well so you're definitely viewing all active users. From the list of people, find the user you want to manage. In this example, it's a test account, but in your case, it could be any teammate. Click on that user's name to open their individual profile and settings. Within that user's profile, you'll see different tabs or sections for what they can access. Click on the Tasks tab to review or adjust anything related to their tasks. Then move over and click on Comments to see or configure how they interact through comments. After that, click on Calendar to review how their calendar items are displayed or managed. Finally, at the top or side of this area, you may see additional highlighted controls or filters. Click on each highlighted element shown in your interface to confirm and save any changes, and to make sure you're viewing the correct details for that user. Once you're done, you can simply navigate back to your dashboard and continue working as normal.